How to blur parts of a photo on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Blur Photo application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on Start from Photo to grant the app access to your photos and select the specific picture you want to edit. After that, tap on Blur Tools. Here, select the Touch Blur tool to ensure the Blur tool is active and allows you to manually blur sections of an image. You can now drag your finger across any part of the image to apply the blur effect directly to that area. Use the on-screen controls to adjust the intensity of the blur as needed. When you are happy with your edits, tap the tick icon on the bottom right corner. This will automatically save the edited photo to your device. Following these steps, you can easily blur parts of a photo on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.